Hello, today I'm going to show you how I bead this cute little outfit that I made for my little girl. The threads I like to use for all my beadings is the DMC Blanc 8S. I will be using these beading needles only to visualize my beading patterns. These are the beads that I will be using to complete my project. I purchased most of my beads from my local Hmong store, and I will provide a link in the description to their Facebook page. Using the longest beading needle, this is where I put together all the beads in different patterns to see, to visualize what pattern would best match the outfit. So I came up with this pattern. I think this pattern would best match the outfit. Before I officially sewed onto the outfit, I like to put it against the fabric just to see if it matches or if it looks good on the outfit. And I think it does. So now I'm going to use a different needle. It could be any needle. And I'm going to start sewing on the beads. I have decided to use the purple trim on this outfit to guide and to measure where I will sew each strand of bead. Just finished beading the last part of the outfit, which is Ludacha, and this is how it looks like. It is absolutely tedious but so worth it. And this is my little girl wearing the outfit. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.